Good morning, madlang people. I'm just having a hard time adjusting to the time difference. I've been up since 1 o'clock. It's 5:32. I got tired laying on bed, so I got up and we're gonna make champurrado with my tablia. Yan. So we're gonna bring it to a boil. Oops, niyawas kay nagduka-duka naman day ko. Ano sa man ito? Hapit na. Tangan na to ga sukar, guys. Tansya-tansya lang. Yan na. Tanga to buwad. O lami. Budloy pinirito. Kain tayo. Arang lami guys. Tuo na lang mo kay alas 6:15 na katulog na ko or madali ta. Good morning everyone.